Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Bree, and it's a terrific day to be a Panther.
Heritage will be hosting a blood drive next Tuesday, November 7th. The blood drive will be at Heritage High School from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Students from ages 16 to 18 and over will be allowed to donate.
If you are interested in donating blood, sign up in Coach Shelley's room 6114. Both a signed parental consent form and school permission form will be required.
Do you need to take the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery Test? The ASVAB is being given next Thursday, November 9th in the auditorium from 8:45 a.m. to 11:45 a.m.
To sign up, use the link in the sophomore, junior, or senior Google Classroom or go to the Google Forms shown here.
Are you interested in wrestling? Well, Heritage Wrestling season begins next Monday, November 6th. All students participating must have a completed physical packet turned in and approved by Athletic Director Ulmer.
If you are interested, there will be a team meeting tomorrow, November 2nd, for all interested wrestlers. This meeting will be after school in room 5203 in Coach Degginger's room.
Panthers, tonight our Heritage baseball team will be sponsoring a fundraiser at Texas Roadhouse. From 4 to 8:30 p.m. May dine in or order to go. Texas Roadhouse will donate 10% of your total food purchase to the team.
Please mention to the server taking your order and ask for a paper receipt and place it in the bucket marked Heritage Baseball.
Supporting another Heritage team, our STEP team is having a fundraiser this Saturday, November 4th from 4 to 8 p.m. 33% of the sales will be donated to the Heritage STEP Club.
To support our Heritage STEP team, plan on going or ordering online from Chipotle on Palm Bay Road from 4 to 8 p.m. If you order online, use the code BGAPBNG, and if you go to Chipotle, show a copy of the flyer shown.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Have a great day and go Big Blue!